Here I've got REALME X50 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and go to contacts, create a new one because I do not have anything here. Let me enter phone number, save, and if you'd like to block then just tap on more icon and select block numbers. Confirm that you would like to block it, and from now on you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. If you would like to set some rule, just tap on more. On more here, tap on settings and go to block numbers. And here you can block all unknown colors if you want to by tapping on the switcher. And also here you can add a phone number manually by yourself. And now it's on the blacklist. Whenever you would like to unblock some number from your blacklist, just mark the cross icon and it is unblocked. Also you can switch off blocking all unknown colors by tapping on the switcher. And this is it. This is how call blocking feature works in REALME X50 5G. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.